Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to check about passing final variable to the method as parameter. What will happen if we will pass final variable to the method as parameter? So let us check what will happen if we will pass the final variable to the method as parameter. We have already seen the parameterized method. Now the parameter type is final variable, any type of variable which is final type as a modifier. So let us understand the pseudocode then. Let's say we will create a class test final variable param. This is the class name. Let's say this class is main class, so I am specifying like this by considering it is a pseudocode. So main method we need to specify over here, and after the main method main block should be created and we should close the class. Now as we are talking about a parameterized method, let us define a method over here. So I created one method public void test final variable, and as we are talking about final variable as parameter, definitely the parameter we need to pass inside the method. So let's say final enm and let's say string final string enm and integer eid. Two parameters we passed, and clearly you can see one parameter is final variable and other one is not final, it is simple integer without final. So let's say let's say enm equal to I'll keep my name over here, let's say Gayatri, and this is a final variable. I initialized the final variable. We can initialize the final variable, right? Now employee id eid, it's integer, so I'll just give some values and I'll again initialize over here. Now let us print and say print enm and eid. So this is the job of the method. Now as this is final, we may not able to reset the variable. So if I will do something like this, see, before resetting, if I will print this enm, definitely it will print this initialized value. But what if I will write enm equal to enm plus Mishra? Will it the expectation is it should print Gayatri Mishra, fine. But what will happen, because this name itself is final type, so as the name itself is final type, we cannot able to reset, because final value cannot be changed. That is what the logic. Now employee id, it is not final, so I can say eid equal to eid plus 10. I can say like this because it is not a final variable. So what will happen if I will just print eid, it will, the output will be 10 will be added to the number and we can see the output. But the thing is that this final name cannot be reset. We cannot change the value of enm because it is final. So how exactly the code will behave? How can I call the method? The method is the part of the same class. So let us create an object for the class. So let's say obj is the object for which class? This class. I'm just writing the pseudo close code, so don't worry about the statements. Now through object I can call the method. So what is the method? Test final variable. Test final variable. Now as it is a parameterized method, I can say string en, then integer ed, something I can say like this. Fine. Now without this also I can do, or else we can do one thing, we can pass the value directly while calling the method. So instead of doing this, we can say and yes. So what will be the output? The output, as we are trying to reset the final variable through the function, inside the function, that is the reason we are expecting the exception. So let us enter into Eclipse. Let's create a class. Let's say the class name is the same class which we mentioned over here, test final variable param. This is a main class, and let me click on finish. Let's delete the unwanted data. Now we need to create a method. So this is what the method we decided to create. So I am just yes, one sec. Okay, fine. Now as we can say, to execute the method we need to create the object for test final variable param, because this is the class where we define the method. Yes, now we can say dot, and what is the method name? Test final variable. Now we can give the values over here, and let's say I am adding 10 to employee ID. Now let's add some string to append the string to some other value. Let's say enm Misra. So I appended the, I am trying to append the string. Now see, when I tried to append the string, here I am getting the error message. So what is the error message? The final local variable enm cannot be assigned. It must be blank and not using the compound assignment. Because the value has been assigned while calling the method, we cannot able to reassign the or update the value. And one more thing is, remove final modifier, otherwise remove the final modifier. So what if I will not do anything? What if I will not do anything? How exactly the code will behave? Let me have a look on the code again. This is what the main class, where we are calling the method by providing the values. Gayatri and 11472 are the original value. this is what the method where we are trying to reset the final member and we are trying to print it. We are trying to print. So let's say enm, we are trying to print it. So let us execute without changing or removing the final identifier. Say this. We expected the exception and we are getting the exception over here. It will not allow us to reset the value for the final variable, which is a parameter to the method. So what is the exception? On result compilation problem, the final local variable enm cannot be assigned. It must be blank, or we should not use the final identifier. Fine. So how can we come out of the error? It is asking us to remove the final identifier. Again, let us click over here where we can able to see the red line. Remove final modifier. See here, where is the final modifier? Final modifier is here. Let's say it is here. So what if I will remove it from here, because here only we passed the parameter as final. Now I removed it, so my error is not there. Now let me save again and let us clear the output screen and let's re-execute the code. Yes, fine. So and the moment we will make again it as final, the moment we will make again as final, it will again tell us to remove the final modifier from the variable, which is a parameter to the method, because final variable cannot be resetted or changed. So I hope it is clear how exactly the final variable is behaving inside the method as a parameter. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning.